Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by measuring and planning. Check each load before running the machine. First, weigh or judge garments. Treat one load as roughly 6-10 kilograms. Once done, inspect care labels and separate heavy items from delicates. Next, schedule loads during off-peak hours to save energy and avoid water pressure drops. Then, set cycle time to 30-60 minutes depending on soil level. Make sure to use the right detergent dose for each load size and fabric type. Now you adjust cycles and frequency to balance wear, water, and time. Sort laundry into 3 groups: cottons, synthetics, delicates, then aim to run machines full or at about 70% capacity to maximize efficiency. For lightly soiled clothes, choose eco or quick cycles. For muddy or bulky items, pick heavy or bulky settings. Also, rotate loads to avoid overusing one drum. On average, plan 1-3 loads for a small household and 3-6 for larger families, depending on daily needs. You finish by unloading and preserving clothes and the machine. Remove items promptly to prevent mildew and rewash. Once all cycles are complete, air garments that feel damp within 30 minutes and run a spin if needed. Make sure not to exceed roughly 6-8 loads per day to avoid excessive wear, overheating, and energy demand. Finally, maintain the washer with monthly drum cleaning, inspect hoses, and use correct detergent dosing. And if you smell burning or see leaks, stop immediately and check hoses or call a technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.